I am Mr. Gant. Project Management. Lesson number 27, Using Task Pools as Template. Objective: student will learn how to use task pools as a template in ASTA. Using task pools as templates for networks of tasks. Using task pools as templates for networks of tasks. If your projects contain networks of tasks that are similar to each other, you can save time in planning projects by creating task pools, also known as fragments and templates. Task pools are networks of tasks that you can use as templates for the creation of multiple, similar task networks within a project. You create a task pool by planning the tasks that are required in a chart or summary group, then creating a task pool from the chart or summary group. The task pool is a copy of the chart or summary group. You can then copy the task pool throughout the project wherever it is required. To create a number of task pools. 1. Right-click the pre-construction summary group in the project view and select Copy to Task Pool from the menu that appears. 2. Right-click the Finishes summary group in the project view and select Copy to Task Pool. 3. Click and Next to Task Pools in the project view. As you use the construction template to create this project, a number of task pools that contain suggested networks of tasks already exist in this project. You have added pre-construction and finishes task pools. 4. You can view the contents of a task pool by clicking it. Click the pre-construction task pool to view its contents in the spreadsheet and bar chart. Before you continue, click the program chart in the project view to create a network of tasks in a project based on the pre-construction task pool. Click and drag the pre-construction task pool from the project view onto the first empty bar in the project. A new pre-construction summary task appears in the project. Before you continue, right-click the new pre-construction bar in the line column of the spreadsheet and select Delete to delete the summary task you have just created. Your project should now look something like this.